Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Since Eid is just around the corner, sharing with you two desserts that are easy to make, delicious, and will fit perfectly onto your Eid table. I have also shared glimpses from what I packed for the Eid goodie bags to be distributed among the kids. Hope you all enjoy watching. Goodies were bought from Kmart. The clay sticks were individually wrapped in cling film to avoid sticking. The sticker tags or the labels were designed by my husband. The first dessert is the sticky date pudding. The ingredients will be mentioned in the description box down below. I used Medjool dates for the sticky date pudding. Into a saucepan, put the pitted dates and water together. Cook over medium heat. Stir constantly until it comes to a boil and the dates are soft and the water is absorbed. Then switch off the flame and add baking soda. Give it a mix and set it aside to cool completely. Instead of the pitted dates, you can also use date paste. While the dates cool down, I made the butterscotch sauce. For that, into a saucepan, add butter, brown sugar, thick cream, and salt. Bring it to a boil, stirring constantly. Let it thicken slightly, then remove from the heat and leave it aside. Now in another bowl, sift the dry ingredients, that is flour, baking powder and salt. Set it aside. Then in another bowl, add butter, brown sugar and white sugar. Beat until light in color. Then add one egg at a time. Then mix in vanilla essence. Bring them all together. Then gradually add the dry ingredients. Do not overmix. At last, add the dates. Mix it in low speed and bring it all together. Now fill the regular sized cupcake pans with a scoop of batter. Bake it for around 18 to 20 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Once done, poke holes all over the cake using a toothpick or a wooden skewer. Reheat the butterscotch sauce, then pour 1 tablespoon of sauce on top of each cupcake. You can make this in advance and slightly microwave it or heat it in the oven before serving. Let the cakes soak in the sauce for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then turn the cakes onto a serving platter. Then pour the sauce on top of each cake. Serve while warm. The next dessert is a very quick one to make if you have the ingredients around. It's a modified tiramisu using Rooh Afza. First, let's prepare the rose milk where the finger biscuits will be dipped. For that, into a bowl, mix together Rooh Afza or rose syrup, milk, and a drop of rose water. Mix together and leave it aside. Now for the cheese layer, I have used half mascarpone cheese and half cream cheese. So into a bowl, add cream cheese and mascarpone cheese. Then add icing sugar. Beat until smooth. Then add heavy cream. And Rooh Afza. At this stage, you can even add rose food color instead of Rooh Afza. Then whip them all together until stiff peaks are formed. Now let's start assembling the dessert. Now I've used the same finger biscuits that I use for the usual tiramisu. So dip the finger biscuits or the lady fingers in the rose milk. Layer them side by side. Then spread half of the cream layer. Then repeat the steps again by layering the finger biscuits and then spreading the cream layer. You can go up to 3 to 4 layers depending on the dish that you choose. You can make this a day before and chill it in the fridge overnight or for at least 4 to 6 hours. I have garnished it with rose petals. And serve it cold. Hope you will give these desserts a try and do let me know if you do so. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Till I see you all again. Take care. Bye bye.